Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into the review, I've linked this e-bike below at a great price. Check that out first if you want to grab one. Today we're looking at the HQYEX 14-inch foldable electric bike, and at under $250, this is one of the most affordable ways to get into electric commuting right now. This is a compact, foldable e-bike built specifically for city commuters who need something they can fold up and take with them, whether that's storing it in a car trunk, carrying it onto public transport, or keeping it in a small apartment without it taking over your space. The motor is a 500W brushless unit reaching up to 20 miles per hour, which is more than enough for urban streets, bike lanes, and tackling city hills without arriving somewhere exhausted and sweaty. The 48V9R battery delivers 20 to 40 miles of range per charge depending on your riding mode and weight. The battery is removable, so you can pop it out and charge it at your desk, at the office, or anywhere with a regular outlet. No need to drag the whole bike to a power source. It comes with 3 riding modes: pedal assist, throttle only, and manual pedaling, letting you choose how much effort you put in depending on the situation. Pedal assist stretches your range the furthest, throttle gets you moving without any pedaling, and manual keeps it a regular bike when you want the exercise. Safety is covered with dual disc brakes for reliable stopping, plus LED headlight and taillight for visibility during early morning or evening commutes. The aluminum frame keeps the overall weight light and manageable, and the 14-inch wheel size makes it genuinely compact and easy to handle in tight urban spaces. It comes with a 1-year warranty and lifetime customer service, which is reassuring for a product at this price point. This particular listing is the black 14-inch version. Overall, if you want the cheapest, most portable entry point into electric commuting, something foldable, easy to store, and capable enough for daily city use, the HQYEX is genuinely hard to beat at this price. I'll leave the link in the description below if you want to check the current price. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.